So I'm always looking for opportunities to have fun with my kiddos, and also do something that isn't screen time. That's also something that I know helps develop their brain. So Legos are one of those things we love to do in our house. So this little Lego set is great. It's enough that we can do it together, and they can actually do it on their own. They're 10. But this is what I love about this little fun character. You can see the little yellow one, these little pots, right? But then inside here, these are actually removable and exchangeable, right? So I can take this one out and I can take this one out, and now I can move them into the new one, just pop it in, and now I have a different look. So they're fun. The other part too is that these move, right? So you can turn around the leaves, change them out, make it, make them adjustable and something to kind of fidget with too. So you can put these on a little shelf, you can put them in a little playroom, and then you can also have some fun, not just, one and done type of deal with some of the Legos are. So if you're looking for a fun, cute Lego set that you can continue to use more than once, I totally think that you should get this for yourself.